Hey there, it's Victor. I'm out of here with Producer Realty. Today we are going to take a tour of the Biltmore Floor Plan by DR Horton. Now the Biltmore is a little over 2,600 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. On the main level, you have a formal living room that could be a study, formal dining room. There's a large family room with a corner fireplace, an open floor plan, spacious kitchen with a breakfast area as well, 2-car garage. Upstairs, there's a large owner's suite with a walk-in closet, double sinks, and there's also a loft area upstairs along with 3 additional bedrooms. Let's go inside and take a closer look. Come on in. So on this side, you have the large family room with the corner fireplace. On that side is the kitchen, which has a center island, as well as the breakfast area. There's a powder room as well, and the laundry room is also on this main level, along with a walk-in pantry. Let's check it out. So upstairs you have the large owner's suite with ensuite bathroom that has double sinks, separate shower, and a garden tub with a huge walk-in closet. There are 3 additional bedrooms up here as well, fairly large bedrooms, and one of them actually has access to second bathroom and also has a walk-in closet. There's also a spacious loft area as well. Let's check it out. Well, I hope you enjoyed that tour. Now, some of the features in this home may vary depending on the upgrades that are available in that particular home or the neighborhood. Now, if you are interested in this Biltmore floor plan or any other new construction homes for sale in the area, regardless of the builder, let me and my team help you, 864-438-5050, or visit our website at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye-bye.